Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're taking a completely different approach. We're setting a super deliberate minimalist tone because, honestly, we're confronting what is arguably the single most pressing technological question of our entire generation. We're going to strip away all those noisy headlines, the chaotic social media debates, and the endless confusing charts that just make your head spin. Instead, we're putting all of our focus on understanding the absolute core of this modern anxiety, piece by piece, using a highly focused visual approach.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, the ultimate question.
So today, we are working with exactly one piece of source material. It's not some 50-page academic research paper. It's literally just a single sentence. Can AI really replace your job? Just take a moment and sit with that in the silence. We don't need a bunch of statistics to feel the sheer existential weight of this inquiry, right? It's a direct, completely unavoidable challenge to our present reality, and it carries an enormous amount of tension for pretty much anyone who reads it.
Moving on to Section 2, the core inquiry. We need to really deconstruct this text. To truly grasp what we're looking at, we have to break this sentence down to its studs. First up, the subject itself, artificial intelligence. I want you to reflect purely on the monumental scale of what those two letters actually represent today. I mean, we aren't talking about basic algorithms anymore. We're talking about vast, generative systems scaling at an absolutely unprecedented velocity. It is, without a doubt, the undeniable catalyst of our era. Now, what's really interesting here is this single, crucial adverb. Really. This one word completely changes the entire DNA of the sentence. It directly challenges the endless hype generated by the tech industry and demands a strict confrontation with reality. It just cuts right through the noise of both the alarmists and the skeptics to ask for the objective truth. And then we arrive at the verb, replace. This requires a very deliberate, pretty grave reflection. Notice what word wasn't used here. The source material doesn't ask if AI can assist you. Actually, scratch that, it doesn't even ask if AI can augment your workflow or make your daily tasks slightly more efficient. No, the absolutely crucial point is that the word replace implies total substitution. It points to a scenario where the human element is completely removed and just swapped out for the machine. It's the absolute threshold of human obsolescence in the context of labor. Finally, we're bringing this abstract, high-level, philosophical deconstruction right to your front door. Your job, not the global economy, not the aggregate labor market, your job. The personal stakes contained in the final two words of our source material are frankly staggering. This is about your livelihood, your daily routine, how you provide for yourself, and for a lot of us, it's a core pillar of our personal identity. This is exactly where the technological revolution becomes deeply, uncomfortably personal. So putting it all back together, we see the complete sentence again. Can AI really replace your job? And this brilliantly illustrates how a simple question, once you really fully understand it, carries far more tension than it did at the start. I mean, we've journeyed from the massive, looming scale of artificial intelligence through a demand for absolute truth, right past the grave concept of total substitution, and landed squarely on your personal livelihood. The architecture of this single sentence is just masterfully designed to provoke deep thought. Which brings us to Section 3, a provocative conclusion. Embracing ambiguity.
As we bring this explainer to a close, you might be sitting there bracing for a definitive yes or no answer. But honestly, the truest reflection of our current era is the profound lack of a definitive answer. The source material doesn't provide a comforting solution. It serves purely as a mirror. The ambiguity of the future is literally the defining characteristic of our present moment. So, I'm just going to leave this stark, provocative question lingering in the silence. The source material has asked it, but only you can truly process it. Look inward. Evaluate your own skills, your own industry, your own capacity to adapt in the face of monumental change. So, how do you answer this for yourself?